Hello, well, I thought that I would do a little upgrade, or what, it's actually a downgrade on the Class A hybrid, or well, it's an upgrade in terms of performance, but it's a downgrade in power consumption and shits, but it's much cooler. So, for the tube preamp, I did use a DC-DC converter, giving about 49 volts to the anodes, which was actually a bit low, and it was not cool enough, and that, so I put this together. This is just a very crude prototype, and we got a 5C3 rectifier tube here, glowing pretty well actually. It's a full wave rectifier, using a transformer here, feeding it heater voltage and plus minus 50 volts in center taps, and that gives, now let's see, this is even smaller numbers and divided by 10, so we got about, no, that's not right at all actually, it's about 80 volts ish. And 80 volts is pretty good, it's much better than 49. And to get this hum free I had to make a little LC filter. And I'm just gonna bias the amp here a bit, it's drifting a tad. There we go. So, DC comes here, goes into a, now let's see, what's this? It's a 560 microfarad cap, going into a about 150-200 volt amp transformer. We're using the primary winding as inductor, secondary shorted, because this transformer's purpose is to short out AC. So yeah, that's basically what it's doing. And it's also got a welded core, which is dampening that even more because it's shit in terms of efficiency. So it's really shit at AC, but it works good on a DC. And on the output we got, now let's see, what are these caps? These are Nichicon 200 volt, 680 micro caps, 4 in parallel. And they are running into the usage 4 tubes. So yeah, it does work pretty well actually. You got a little crap speaker hooked up there. It's got a lot more gain now with higher anode voltage. And that's just a little shit speaker with no cabinet, so it will sound like shit. It's pretty freaking loud, I have to say that. See, it does work, it runs very well, it's loud as fucking hell with that little speaker. It's gonna be fun to hook up a pair of proper speakers for this, but I'm going to finish the anode power supply first, and I have to somehow fit that to this. I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna do that. I am thinking of putting a piece of MDF or something on the side here, and basically hang the entire power supply on the side with the tube sticking up. That's one option. I'm not that keen on having a separate power supply just for this. But I can hang it on the side, that's not a problem. Or I can just basically extend this piece of MDF out a bit, that's also an option. But we'll see how I do, and I'll post an update on that. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.